Vinegar Volcano in this episode. I am Ruthvik.
Kevin. I am Varun. I am Ananya. I am Nidruven. I am Vaibhavi. I am Devansh. I am Shravya. I am Vaishnavi. I am Drishya.
Which hand wash or detergent, hand wash or the vessel washing liquid, vinegar, then paint for color, which we have already put in the volcano, and baking soda. As of now, this is not needed, so we'll keep it aside. I hand over the vinegar to Drishya. Now we move towards. So the volcano is made like we have a huge bottle put inside, and we have covered it with mud. You can cover it with anything else, and this is for educational purpose to understand how does a volcano erupt. Now our first ingredient, which is vinegar, I shall put it. Drishya pours the vinegar carefully inside.
Can I read?
Yes, that's enough. It has all. Then we call Varun to put the hand wash. But wait, but the vinegar is a little bit less. Yes. So now Varun puts the hand wash. He puts the whole. Yes, we keep that aside. Now, our last ingredient, which will end up the eruption, baking soda. But actually, you are supposed to put this in a sequence. If you don't, then it will erupt even before you know. Like, if you put vinegar and dishwashing without you needing it, without putting it at the middle, then you need if you put the baking soda, it will erupt immediately and bubble back. Yes. So we pour the baking soda quickly. It is inside.
Kevin, bro, spill it.
It rises from inside. It's coming. Well, this is our volcano erupted with a huge force. Now this carries down